Hello X users! In today's video, we'll provide you with a complete guide on how to change who can reply to your posts in X. This feature allows you to customize your interaction preferences based on your needs. Let's dive into the steps and learn how to do it in X. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the user interface. Step 2. Look for the plus icon, usually located at the top or bottom of the screen. Tap on it to create a new post. Step 3. Create your post by expressing your thoughts and ideas. Let your creativity flow. Step 4. Now it's time to customize who can reply to your post. Locate the bottom drawer or section, where it says, by default, everyone can reply. This is your chance to tailor the reply settings to your liking. You have the freedom to choose the option that suits you best. It could be limiting replies to accounts you follow, accounts you mention, verified accounts, or any other option provided by X. Simply tap on the setting that aligns with your preferences. By changing who can reply to your post, you can curate the type of engagement you want and create a more personalized experience on X. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change who can reply to your posts in X. Enjoy the flexibility to adapt your settings according to your needs and preferences. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.